Hi, judges. I'm Supratik Panaganti.
My name's Abhi Kapoor.
And I'm Praveen Patibandla, and this is our submission for the Coding and Programming FBLA event. This year's prompt challenged us to create a program that could collect, manage, and display information about businesses and community partners. Therefore, we designed a comprehensive solution that caters to both administrative and user perspectives.
All right, so now let's delve into the design process. The program allows the department to manage partner details such as, but not only, the type of organization, available resources, and direct contact information for an individual. The user interface crafted with HTML and CSS is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to search and filter partner information effortlessly. And behind the scenes, the integration of PHP scripts and a SQL database managed through PHP MyAdmin ensures efficient data management. Also, using Python and generative AI, you create a chatbot that can answer any question about the partners.
For the live demonstration, I will showcase the core components of the project. First, the user or admin is met with the login screen, and if they don't have an account, they can register here. The user interface is clear and instructions are provided for the user. The username must make a username that only contains lowercase letters and numbers. Then the password must be at least 6 characters long and must meet the other validations. If the password does not match, they cannot register for an account. After they meet all the credentials, they can register for an account and type in their information. All of this information has to follow a standard format, and if the user does not follow this format, they cannot submit the information. Then they're met with the home page. Here, the user sees what we are and information about us. Then they can go to the View Partners page and view all of the partners and search and filter by community partner, business partner, or whatever keywords they're looking for, such as tech companies. Then, if they have any questions, they can ask the chatbot, which is an intelligent feature, what questions they have. For example, if they want to know how many business partners are there, the chatbot tells them that there are 17 business partners that they can talk to. When the user or admin is logging into their account, if they enter a username that is not in the database, then the program tells them that the username does not exist. If they enter a username that exists in the database, but the password is wrong, the program tells them that it's the incorrect password. So the user must input the correct information with the correct username and password to be able to log into their account. And this goes for the admin too. Now for the admin. The admin logs into their account and they have access to the admin dashboard where they can add partners, they can export the data, they can edit partner information, and they can also delete partner information. For example, let's say we want to add a partner named John Elway Community. He runs a local charity in the Forsyth area. His type is community, and the resources available are food and technology. Now, as you can see, his partner name is inputted into the database. The admin can also see all of the users in the database. Admins can also delete partners from the database using this delete button. Then they're met with caution to make sure they don't accidentally delete a partner. It asks if they are sure they want to delete this partner. If they click OK, then the partner is deleted from the database. And as you can see here, we have more than 25 partners in the database because using our SQL database, we can store any number of partners. And another feature is admins and users can edit their information. For example, if the admin moved addresses, they can put their new updated address and click update.
Let's take a closer look at the database structure. We've implemented 3 tables to manage the data effectively. The login details table encrypts users' passwords and stores information related to user authentication. The students table contains essential data about enrolled users. And finally, the partners table is the backbone of our system. It stores details about business and community partners.
During the live demo, you witnessed the user-friendly interface and easy navigation facilitated by this header file. The user experience was enhanced with validation features such as user information validation, and as seen in this signup file. In this signup file, we use if-else statements to make sure that the username and password is valid. For example, if a username already exists, the user is met with the prompt that the username already exists and they cannot register that username. We use multiple of these if-then statements to ensure the proper creation of a username and passcode. Now, as we delve into the View Partners file, you'll see how the program presents partner information in a clear and organized manner, making it a presentable report. This file also demonstrates the search and filtering functionalities, allowing users to tailor the display based on their specific needs. The chatbot file utilizes artificial intelligence to answer the user's questions relating to the partners. Additionally, I'll show you the backup file. This showcases the implementation of a daily dynamic backup feature through Task Scheduler. All the data in the database is dumped into a file which is saved into the backup folder every day. This is the file.
So, in conclusion, our program creates a streamlined and efficient solution not only for the administrators of the career and technical education department, but also the users. Thank you.